Welcome to the best picks. The best G35 coilovers is probably one of the most sought-after modifications for Infiniti G35 owners who are looking to dramatically improve their car's handling, performance, and overall driving experience, offering a perfect blend of comfort and control that elevates the driving dynamics to a whole new level. Whether you're a seasoned car enthusiast or a weekend warrior, this video will guide you through everything you need to know about choosing and installing the right G35 coilovers for your specific needs and preferences, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable ride. Number 5. Rev 9R9 HS2 Coilover Kit. Upgrade your Infiniti G35 Coupe's handling in style with this high-performance coilover kit. It offers a perfect balance of comfort and control, transforming your driving experience. Unlike other systems, it provides a true coilover conversion on the rear strut for optimal performance and adjustability. Experience a significant improvement in handling and responsiveness. It features 32-way rebound adjustment, allowing you to fine-tune the damping to your preferences. Dial in the perfect balance between comfort and performance for any driving condition. Adjust the spring tension and ride height independently for precise customization. This allows you to optimize the handling and stance of your vehicle to your exact specifications. With a 14 kg/mm front and 12 kg/mm rear spring rate, it delivers a significant upgrade in handling and responsiveness. Experience improved cornering, braking, and overall driving dynamics. For optimal results and safety, professional installation is recommended. This ensures that it's installed correctly and safely, maximizing its performance and longevity. This kit is designed to lower your vehicle's ride height for an aggressive, sporty stance. Please note that it does not adjust to factory ride height. What we like. It offers 32 levels of damping adjustment for a finely tuned ride. If you prioritize precise handling and customization, this is the perfect choice for you. This coilover kit truly transforms your driving experience, making it ideal for enthusiasts who want maximum control. Number 4. BC Racing BR Coilovers. Experience precise control with 30 levels of damping adjustment. It's perfect for any driving style, from daily commutes to track days. Achieve your ideal look and feel. Adjust the height independently of spring compression for a perfect balance of performance and comfort. Built to last with a robust monotube shock design and dust boots. Plus, it's fully rebuildable, ensuring long-term value. Pillow ball mounts and camber plates make alignment adjustments a breeze. This improves handling and extends tire life. These coilovers deliver adjustable handling and comfort, whether you're cruising the streets or pushing limits on track. Fine-tune your suspension for an optimal driving experience. What we like. This option provides customizable ride height without compromising comfort. If you're looking for a balance between performance and everyday drivability, this is it. Its rebuildable design ensures long-term value and performance, making it a smart investment. What people say. My car used to be drop-on springs and it was the worst ride quality ever. My tire would rub at full turn and I would scrape almost everywhere. With BC coilovers my car is now slightly higher than when I was with springs, except now I don't rub or scrape anywhere. Ride great, setup perfect right out of the box, and 1/4 to half in higher in the back. Improved ride and handling too. After dropping these bad boys and we put a new front and rear sway bars, it's like a brand new car and it sticks to the road like glue. Number 3. Rev 9R9 HS2-008 Coilover Kit. Upgrade your Infiniti G35 Coupe's handling with this high-performance coilover kit. It offers a perfect balance of comfort and control, making every drive an exhilarating experience. This kit is specifically engineered for your Infiniti G35 Coupe, V35, ensuring a precise and customized fit for model years 2003 through 2007. It features 32 levels of damping force adjustment, allowing you to fine-tune the ride to your exact preferences, whether you prioritize comfort or aggressive handling. With independent adjustments for spring tension and ride height, you can customize the stiffness and height of your vehicle separately to achieve your ideal setup. It provides a true coilover conversion on the rear strut, enhancing performance and control beyond what standard suspension systems can offer. The kit boasts a 14 kg/mm spring rate in the front and 12 kg/mm in the rear, providing optimal balance and responsiveness for your G35 Coupe. The monotube shock absorber with a durable steel alloy body ensures long-lasting performance and reliability, even under demanding conditions. This coilover kit is designed to lower your vehicle. For optimal results and safety, professional installation by an experienced mechanic is strongly recommended. What we like. It provides 32 levels of damping adjustment, allowing you to fine-tune your ride to perfection. If you demand precise control and a customized driving experience, this is an excellent option. This coilover kit is a game-changer for those who want to maximize their vehicle's performance. What people say. I have these set at their highest setting, and it is still having a nice stance. Was fairly easy to install. Make sure to undo the front ball joint on your front arms and remove the sway bar links to give you more room to remove the front strut. The ride is perfect, almost as good as stock. Number 2. Godspeed MSS0270B Coilovers. Upgrade your Infiniti G35's handling with the Godspeed MSS0270B Coilover kit. It offers a fully adjustable ride height and damping for a customized driving experience. This kit is designed for 2003 to 2007 Infiniti G35 coupes and select 2002 to 2005 sedans. Ensure your vehicle is compatible before purchasing. It features 16 levels of damping adjustment, allowing you to fine-tune the ride to your preferences. You can also adjust the spring tension and ride height independently. It boasts a 52mm monotube stainless steel shock with high-quality components like Coilover bearings for smooth operation. Durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. These coilovers are built to handle both daily driving and track use. The racing-grade shock oil and robust design provide excellent performance and reliability. Professional installation is highly recommended for optimal results. This ensures proper setup and avoids potential damage. Enjoy peace of mind with our 1-year limited warranty. This covers any defects in materials or workmanship. What we like. It features a robust build quality and 16 levels of damping adjustment. If you value durability and a smooth, controlled ride, this is a great choice. Its reliable design ensures long-lasting performance, making it perfect for drivers who want a balance of comfort and control. Number 1. FAPO Adjustable Coilover Kit. Upgrade your ride with FAPO's adjustable coilovers. It offers a smooth, comfortable ride while enhancing handling performance. It's compatible with a range of vehicles, including the Nissan 350Z, Skyline V35 CV35, and Infiniti G35 RWD. Please check the specifications to ensure compatibility with your car. It features a precise spring rate of 12 kg/mm in the front and 10 kg/mm in the rear. The spring preload is 7 to 10 mm, with a 200 mm spring length for both front and rear. The monotube design improves handling without compromising comfort. It's perfect for track use, drifting, or daily driving. Easily adjust the height of your car by moving the spring seat lock. Lower your car by 1 to 3 inches for a customized look. The coilover features a special surface treatment for superior anti-rust protection, ensuring long-lasting performance. What we like. It boasts a monotube design for improved handling and a comfortable ride. If you are on a budget but still want a noticeable upgrade, this is a great option. It's perfect for those who want to enhance their car's appearance and performance without breaking the bank. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.